grenadine syrup 2, this rum punch, and that is served over ice, you guys. What's up, YouTube? It is Ari from Area K, and today I am back with a different type of video Today I am back with a video for those people who like to drink at home, who don't always want to go out to the bar, but don't necessarily know how to make the drinks that you would get at the bar typically. So we're going to do easy ways to drink at home, affordable ways to drink at home, tasty ways to drink at home, and it's not going to taste like a knockoff. So let's get into this, you guys. First of all, I'm going to break down everything I bought for this drink and how much each thing costs, so you guys can know, because we are bags on the budget. So the first thing that I want to say is that if you guys are becoming bartenders, looking for things to buy, how to make drinks at home, like I said before, or you're just trying to throw a party with a drink that tastes halfway decent, so this video is for you. You're right here for a reason. Another thing I want to say, you guys, is we're going to be doing different types of drinks. I know that some people don't have other types of drinks or don't have everything available to them, so we're going to do a variety because my girlfriend is allergic to tequila, so we have to do a variety of things, you guys. The first thing that I want to say is this is orange and pineapple juice from Aldi's, and it runs from $2.50 to $3.50 depending on where you live. The next thing I have is Rose's grenadine syrup, which would you use this syrup in so many things like tequila sunrises. You can even use it in like rum and cokes and things like that if you want to give it a sweet type of kick. It's really good, and some people say they could drink it by themselves. It's like really, really sweet. If you ever had a Shirley Temple, it's basically Sprite and this. The next thing that we have is lime juice. This was $1 at Walmart. We have Bacardi, which I already took 2 shots of. This ran me $9. Some people may be able to get it a little bit cheaper, sometimes maybe a little bit more. It just depends on what liquor store you go to and where you live. The next thing I'm going to use is some limes, which I do have cut up here in the back, so I don't have to use these. And then we have our glass. So you guys, now that we've had the whole rundown of how much everything costs, where you can get it, and basically how your setup can start to look like this, let's get into making this video. So in today's video, you guys, we're going to be making homemade, easy, fruity Jamaican rum punch. For this recipe that I'm using, you don't need to have 3 different types of rum. I'm only using 1 type of rum in this recipe, so do not feel like you have to go out and get other things. If you do have 1 bottle of rum, use it. Okay, so you guys, the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to add some ice to our glass. And I am not a professional bartender. I do want to say this because this is my first video of this type, and I don't want people in my comments telling me that you could add this. Well, let me know, and then we can grow together. So the first thing I want to say is that you are going to add 1/2 ounce of lime juice, and I heat my limes up in the microwave. I don't roll them or anything like that because the juice can be kind of hard to get out of it if you don't have a juicer, which I do not. So we are going to squeeze the lime juice out and into the glass. And I'm going to use 2 limes for this. Sorry, you guys, it may take me a little minute because, like I said, I do not have a juicer and I do not mind little fruit shards or things like that. Those up. Okay, the next thing that you want to do is add 1.5 ounces of rum. I'm going to add 2 ounces in this recipe because Kelsha and I, and also this is a measuring cup. This is also a shake your cup or whatever you want to call it. You can get these from the dollar store. You can get them from Walmart, all types of places. I feel like you do need this if you aren't just trying to be drinking willy-nilly. So make sure that you guys do have this. So I'm going to do about 2.5 ounces of rum. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is crack open this orange juice. And I'm going to use 2 ounces of orange juice, well, orange and pineapple. You can just use regular orange juice or regular pineapple juice if you choose. That is up to you. That is at your discretion. I think I'm going to add a little bit more pineapple juice. So I think we're going to be splitting this between the two of us. And the last thing that you're going to want to add to make this recipe is going to be your grenadine syrup. They also have simple syrups. This is specifically for certain types of drinks. You can use it for anything that you want to kick in, use it. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is add this grenadine syrup to this rum punch. And that is served over ice, you guys. You can add your own pineapple slices. You can add different chunks of fruits and things like that to your drink. But that is simple as it comes, simple as it goes. Easy rum punch. This recipe is for one, which I will include in the description down below. If you guys are making this for a group or a party, you would multiply my recipe by 4, by 6, however many people are coming to your party. So you guys know how much to use, how much stuff to buy. And this is a wrap for our first video. Check out my channel tomorrow. We're gonna be doing another video with Bacardi Black Rum. If you guys are afraid of touching liquors that are a little bit stronger, please make sure you check out this channel because we are going to sweeten it up and make sure that you can drink any and everything. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys the next time when y'all are ready to drink again. So let me try this right quick. That's good. See y'all next time.